Hey viewers, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're delving into a captivating term that holds significance in music. This musical instrument is most likely to be played by flutists and musicians. Classical, jazz, folk, and many other styles of music are played on this instrument. Let's learn how to pronounce it correctly. Flute. Flute. With a sound of double O's in between. Flute. Flute is crucial in the context of music, helping musicians to create melodies and harmonies across various compositions. If you enjoyed learning about flute, be sure to subscribe to our channel for more educational content. Thanks for watching. Remember, knowledge is power. See you next time.